Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. I'm going to be doing a voiceover on this video. Basically what I want to do is make a notice board, but a notice board for a calendar. So I've got my big piece of paper in front of me. On the board, I'm going to measure it out. Just give it a small, because I need to cut it out. So I'm measuring it out on the sides, and then I will be using a ruler just to get my line straight, to where I can actually basically cut it. So I've got my ruler. I'm gonna measure it out properly. Just have fixed lines and just put it down, and then then I need to cut this down to size. Once you get the size down, everything works from there on much easier. So what I'm basically doing is I'm just cutting it down with a jigsaw. Real easy. You don't have to do much hard work on just cutting down this piece of board. Just cut it down. Doesn't matter what size and how skew it is. You've got a line to work on. So yes, just make sure that you put your calendar back on just to see if everything looks fine. And then I've got this piece of, I don't know what you want to call it, sponge, felt, something in that effect. That will be just the back piece where I'm going to have in between the board and my felt that I'm using. So basically I'm just cutting the size also off on the sides, making sure that I've got the right size and everything to it. And yeah, that was a fun little project. So yes, I'm using this contact adhesive, and I'm just gonna rub it on the board. I don't want to do too much of things, so what I did is rub it down on the sides. Just make sure that all the sides, at least are covered. I don't really care much about the middle. I just made a little bit of a whoosh whoosh here in the middle, but the sides was for me more important. And then I placed it on top. Make sure that you do get the right measurements down before you press down, and because this glue, it sticks. Smoothing it out, and voila, Bob's your uncle. If Bob is your uncle, I'm sorry, didn't try to offend you, but yeah, Bob the Builder, hey. Then I've got my piece of felt, which basically is a mat, a carpet, that I took old pieces that I had, cut it down. Didn't want to bore you with that scene, so I cut it down to size. I had two pieces that actually just could fit, and again, contact adhesive, and then basically I'm putting it up. And but with this one was a bit of a trick, because the sponge that I was using was not really good for my contact adhesive. It really sucked it up dry quickly. So just make sure that you do put a lot on, because this is where I actually, okay, as you can see, I've basically done the first half, and I put the first carpet or the felt on, and then I carried on with the second part, gluing it down, making sure I've got all my corners, and especially everywhere that I can find, rub it down in, and then yes, make sure that you measure it down nicely so it can fit in nicely, and there you have it. Everything is in its place. Yeah, and then what you can do is you can do a couple of other things as well around it. If you want to make a frame, I did put a frame in, but I'm not going to bore you guys with the frame setup. I just wanted to show you how quick and easy it is just to make a simple notice board. Yes, you can do all these crazy other things and stuff like that, putting a frame up, and there's my final product. Really easy, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you've liked this video, please subscribe and give me a like. That will be much appreciated, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.